Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have 19-cent Tide over at Walgreens. We're going to nerd out about that math because it's quite spectacular. Some penny items at the Dollar General and more cheap P&G at Meijer if that is your speed, which is a grocery store in the Midwest, plus freebies over there. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please like this video, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel. If you could take a second and like the video. Okay, first store that we're at is everybody's favorite Walgreens, and oh my gosh, this week my keyboard's on fire, so I need a fire extinguisher or something because it's really fantastic. This morning, I got these on both of my accounts. It's a whole bunch of boosters for next week. Please pay attention to that. So we are going to investigate that a little bit more probably on Saturday, but load all of these gems for next week. The first two deals we're going to be doing with this spectacular booster, which is a 7 back when you spend 25. It's either the 10 when you spend 45 or this one. It's been printing a lot. So for this deal, I have exactly $30 of merchandise, and we're going to jog through what I picked up. The first is this $14.99 Gillette Labs $5 reward when you purchase this. Plus, we have a 5 off digital coupon. Hopefully, you have the same one as I. I think most of us have this. So load this little friend for this deal. The next is one of these big Mammotides, and don't we all love them for $12.99? Retail price is $16 for this at most stores. And we have this, so load this little gem as well. Now, to get the math to math, I threw in 3 of these Dawn dish soaps because all of these items are part of a spend 30, earn back 10. And I'm going to show you that in a second. So just to show you, $12.99 for the Tide, $14.99 for that Gillette Lab, $2.97 for 3 of those Dawns, and I have $8 in digitals melting off. So I got the cashier to scan my booster. With my debit card, I paid $22.95. I got back $7 in Walgreens cash. Plus, I got back that $10, when you spend 30, earn back 10, boom, it printed on the top, and then the $5 for the Gillette Lab. So that's $15 back. I will also let you guys know with this one purchase, this guy printed again, which is the 10 back when you spend 45. So I would really just go in the store and buy a couple things and see if a booster will print for you. It's printing for most store cards right now, which is really odd. And go and make these deals happen. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2. Again, we have our best friend loaded, which is the 7 back when you spend 25. Most of these baskets are 30, so if you're using a $45 booster, you're $10 short. So, possibly just add in some Colgate and a couple other items. Okay, so for this one, we're grabbing 4 of those very fancy Dawn power washes and then 3 toothbrushes. These are $5.99, a product I've always wanted to try. $4 reward when you purchase 4. We have this, so hopefully you have the same coupon as I, which is a 2 off of 2. Both of my cards got this one as well. And then we're grabbing 3 of these brushes for $3.50 a pop, so that's $10.50. $5 reward when you buy 3 of them, and we have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 3. So really easy math here. Grabbing 4 of those power washes for $23.96, 3 Oral-B's for $10.50. We have $7 in digitals melting off. Get the cashier to scan your booster, and then you're going to pay $27.46 with your debit card. Get back $7 in Walgreens cash for your booster, plus $19 in register rewards, 10 for spending 30 on P&G, 5 for Oral-B. And then 4 for the power wash, making this whole haul $1.46. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but make this deal happen. To show you guys a little something, these $10 back when you spend 30s, look at that quick expiry date. So if you might have done this deal earlier in the week, go through all of your coupons. Are they expiring by Friday or Saturday? You must use them before they expire. Okay, now we're at the Dollar General. A very heavy penny list was dropped on Tuesday the 1st. Special shout out and thank you to Christie's Connections and her team. absolutely fantastic. They curate all of the information for the penniless, what to look out for, and so on and so forth. I would not have any success penny shopping if it wasn't for this YouTube channel. So thank you, Christy, for the help. And I'll show you my haul. It is a bit smaller, and I'll tell you guys probably later in the week a story time on why I stopped penny shopping on this Tuesday for this little chintzy haul that includes some Smokezilla and a couple crafting things for kids. Everything at the register should ring up for a penny. What you're going to do is look for this stuff probably on a sky shelf. It is older stuff, probably from, I think a lot of this stuff is probably like Christmas time, that sort of stuff. But where I found everything was sky shelves. But again, I only visited 2 stores and I had to pull the plug quickly. And I hate to sound mysterious, but I will talk about that some other time, maybe Friday or Saturday. Here are the UPCs. In the app, it should ring up 0.00. At the register, it's a penny. And look in the children's area for like toys. Look on sky shelves, which is the top shelf. And then also, you know where they have the kids swimming stuff? Go look there, where they have birthday party stuff. For any millennial, this is so cute, this Rainbow Bright coloring. You know, these make excellent donations too for Toys for Tots, if that's your thing. And these are like, you know, color it in. I mean, if you're an 80s baby, you know how adorable that is. And how many of us would have absolutely died for that? And then with the Rainbow Bright, we have this adorable little journal. And I think most of us, again, if you're an 80s baby, you probably would have like died for this little journal with a lock. Keep everybody out. Donut worry, be happy. Like, don't worry, be happy. Very, very cute. Very Lisa Frank looking too. And here's the UPC. Sky shelves, areas where they have the toys. Look, it's going to take you a while to find these. And just look around the store. I did find 2 lighters by Smokezilla right at the front where they sell like gum, candy bars, like last minute items. That's where they keep all the Smokezilla stuff. These 2 were with the regular lighters at the very back. And it's going to be tedious, guys. You're going to have to scan every single lighter because you're going to go cross-eyed. They all look the same. So you're really going to have to pay attention. And I showed these to my husband and he grabbed both of them and he was really excited. And he's like, because I think they're like retail like $4 each. So that's quite the find. And you're going to also have to get the cashier to scan your driver's license for these, which I thought was really weird. But because it's a lighter, I found it at one store, but I bought them in 2 separate transactions and had to scan that license twice, which was kind of strange. But look for these 2, and I wish you guys a lot of good luck when you're out there. The final store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. No sister store to this, Midwest only. Big shout out to Rolling Coupon Mom on Instagram. If you want to get serious about Meijer, this is the Instagram page you want to follow. She is a friend of the channel and a very nice lady and just a fantastic Midwest couponer. A lot of respect and love for her, and the first couple deals belong specifically to her. Now, what I recommend, class, is to open up your shop and scan every single barcode to ensure that the coupons are attaching in case they're not. Huggies Simple and Clean with Mickey Mouse, the Banana Boat travel size, and those ZzzQuil nasal strips. Really have to pay attention, and Shop and Scan can help you that your right coupon is clipped and it's attaching to said product. So $1.50 travel size Banana Boat with that $2 digital. It's a complete freebie. And we have the Tide Simply Clean, the one with Mickey Mouse. It's $2.49. We have a $2 digital, so it's making it 49 cents. Again, open your shop and scan to ensure you're grabbing the right one and the coupon is attaching. And then this found in the clearance section, it's like $1.94, really cheap, or $1.44, I think, pardon me. We have a $2 digital, free. There is no overage with digital coupons, but go and make it happen. To show you my receipt, sunscreen, those nasal strips, and I just had to pay 49 cents for those baby wipes. So with tax, it was 82 cents. Not too shabby. So this week over at Meijer, there is a 10 off of 40. It's usually 10 off of 50. So I'm stocking up this week. One of the larger counts of the Tide, a large Downy, a larger Mr. Cleaner, the medium-sized one, and then this 3-pack of the Downy Calm. So this is what I grabbed. And this is what I have loaded. $2 off for that Mr. Clean. So it's 41 ounces, I believe. 80 count of the Downy dryer sheets. That golden nugget one in the center, the 10 off of 40, 3 off for the Tide, and then the 3 off for the Downy liquid. Now, what I recommend, guys, is again, open up your shop and scan absolutely every one to see your total, how it's aggregating. And if the math is not mathing, then you know you messed up. But this will give you, before you get to the register, like, hey, did I do this right? Yes or no? In case you're a little bit nervous, and we're all that way, you know, this stuff isn't foolproof, especially over at Meijer, but Shop and Scan at least gives you an idea that you can get a running tally to see that everything's working out. And then see at the bottom it says $21.96. Yours is going to be an extra $2. I had a special like M-Perk basket thing. If I bought $10 of fabric softener, I'd get an extra $2 off, and the dryer sheets and the Downy qualified me for that. But it would be $23.96 for those 4 items. And considering it's like you're paying for 2 of the larger detergents, I don't think this is a bad deal. If you might have any like money to throw into this with your Meijer account, sometimes we get like Meijer cash or something like that. Bottle deposit returns, I don't know, make it happen because we love cheap detergent weeks. You know those Downy Calm dryer sheets that I was showing? They're harder to find because people really love them. So if you can't track them down, an alternative thing is to swap out the Downy Calm and put in these Bounce Mega Pet Sheets. Most of us have animals. See that $3 coupon? It is in fact attaching. Alternatively, you can get a Downy Softener, the fancier one, pictured in that $3 coupon. Just an alternative deal. Good luck, guys. Go and make these deals happen. Bye.